Hello guys, good day. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here with one of the official candidates of Mr. International Philippines 2024. I'm here with Gian all the way from Cavite Province. Hi Gian.
Hi po.
Kumusta ka Gian?
I'm feeling great po actually. Recently
How,
po.
all right. So how was your journey so far sa Ginoong Rosario 2024?
The journey taught me a lot po and it helped me to improve myself and I think po na mas kaya ko pa pong or mas marami pa pong room for growth.
Okay. So how was your preparation so far sa Mr. International Philippines? Lalong-lalo na malapit na ang first presentation.
Actually, I take it step by step po kasi mahirap po kung bibiglayin ko po yung sarili ko. Mahirap naman po ipilit po yung ano po. Kaya I'll take it step by step po kasi doon ko po nakikita yung sarili ko na mas mag-grow po.
Well, talking to step by step, when it comes to your trainings, how was it?
When it comes to my trainings po, I fully dedicate myself po and kinocommit ko po talaga kasi kailangan po talaga when it comes to prestigious pageant like Mr. International, I we should all be prepared and commit ourselves kasi po may hindi na po to basta-basta competition na ano lang po. This is a big and prestigious pageant na po.
All right. Well, talking to your preparations, ano na yung mga preparations na pinaghandaan mo for the MIPH?
Recently we're improving our walks, our Q&A trainings and our physical and nag-gym po kami. So yun po yung mga preparations na ginagawa po namin for
Okay,
this journey.
let's rate your preparations when it comes to the Q&A. Rate yourself from 1 to 10.
As of now, I think 7.
7.
Being
How about
honest.
for your fitness preparation?
Fitness preparation, I think 6.5.
Wow. And your OOTD?
For my OOTD, we are finding some fits po na mas babagay po sa akin and I can be more myself po.
And I believe this is also your first time to join the national pageant.
Yes po.
How was the feeling na you're competing for the other competitive candidates?
Actually, I'm kind of bit feel pressured po kasi I'm representing Cavite province, historical province Cavite. But I think I just need to be myself and show the world or the country that we Caviteños has way more to offer to our community.
Wow, bonggang-bongga naman yung Gian. Gian, you're representing Cavite province and of course, malaki yung expectations ng mga Caviteños sa'yo, especially your fans and supporters. Ano yung mga ina-expect namin or ina-expect namin sa'yo sa competition na to?
For my supporters and for the Caviteños, I will show na kung paano po tayo at kung ano po talaga tayong literal na mga Caviteño at gusto ko pong ipakita na kung ano man po yung kung paano po ako nung sa Ginoong, may ipapakita ko po yung mas malaki at mas better na performance po para sa ating lahat na Caviteño.
Alright. What's your height, Gian?
I'm 5'10 and a half po.
Wow, 5'10 and a half. And what's your reaction na nung nakita yung mga photos mo sa pageantry world, some of the pageant fans reacting about na this guy will give his best sa MIPH competition?
For me po is it's some things po na nakatulong po sa akin para mas i-pursue po yung ganito pong journey. It helps me to boost my confidence and to show myself or to show the community who I am or what I made of.
And of course, Gian, some of pageant fans are looking for you or naka-monitor sila sa'yo sa social medias mo. And hindi natin may iwasan na magkaroon ng bashers kasi you are competing sa national pageant. So, how do you respond to a basher?
Hindi ko na po kasi when it comes po sa mga bashers and ano po, hindi ko na po kasi sila pinapansin kasi bakit ko po hahayaan na i-dictate nila ako or bakit ko po hayaan na i-dictate nila yung mga gagawin ko or pansinin yung mga paninira po nila o na makakasira lang naman po sa confidence na mas kailangan ko pa nga pong i-improve kasi po para mas ipakita ko po kung ano talaga ang mga tunay na kabitenyo.
And matatapang talaga, mga kabit.
Matatapang po kami.
Yes. Anyway, Gian, do you have any message to your fans and supporters?
Um, to the ones who support me, especially for this journey, I just want to thank you all and I'm forever grateful sa support and sa love na binibigay nyo po sa akin. Dito po sa journey na to, samahan nyo po ulit ako. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat po.
All right, Gian. And also, I have prepared some flashcards for you. And the flashcards contains some personal questions only. So, walang tama o mali dito as long as you answer the question. We pick one. All right. And your question is, how did your mother help you in your growing up years?
Actually, I grew up alone but my mother support me in everything that I want. And in that way, she showed me that she will be at my back, whatever what happened or whatever I want to pursue. And in that way, I felt my mother's love. My mother's is always at my side. Yun po.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing, Gian. Next. Let's have this. So, once just to attract attention,
I do funny things to attract attention because I think humor should be with one another or within ourselves because when we say humor po kasi for me this is how we can interact with other people. I think if I have that humor na nakakagaan po sa ibang tao, it kinda helped me also to boost myself and showed who really I am.
all right. Thank you. Next question. What is the funniest story your mother tells about you?
I think the funniest story that my mother tells me is when she once, para pong nung binasted niya po yung papa ko before, bago po maging sila talaga. Parang ganun po yung kwento. Tapos, sinasabi niya po na, kasi daw po pangit daw po kunwari si papa, ganto ganyan. Pero, ang at the end naman po, naging sila din po. At nandito na po ako ngayon, nagbunga po sila ng sa pong katulad ko.
How about on your side? Ano naman yung mga funny stories na sinasabi tungkol sa'yo ng mother mo?
Sa akin po, wala naman po masyado kasi si mama. Kasi po hindi po masyadong jolly si mama actually. She
Alright.
just really loves to encourage us and make sure po na may mararating po kami at some point sa buhay namin.
Alright. Thank you so much, Gian. Last one. Pick. Okay. Sige. Your question is, do you consider yourself a good lover? How?
I think yes. I consider myself a good lover because as a man who grew up alone, I always understand how things work. So, kaya ko po na siyang i-apply when it comes to a relationship and I think na in that way, I can communicate and I can make our relationship better.
Alright. Thank you so much, Gian. And mukhang ready na siya sa Mr. International Philippines
po.
2024. Anyway, how do you feel right now na malapit na ang press presentation?
Actually, I feel a bit pressured nga po and And at the same time po, excited. Kasi po, I just want the Mr. International stage to show who I am or what is Caviteño made of.
Okay. Do you have any social media to promote?
Hi guys, I want to promote my Facebook account, Gian Angel Daniel M. Loba, my TikTok account, Lobalicious, and that's all. Thank you so much.
How about Instagram account? You have Instagram account.
Actually, at also may Instagram account, Lobalicious din po ang pangalan. Yun po. You can follow me there din po.
Alright. Thank you so much, Gian. And
Thank you po.
once again, best of luck sa journey mo sa Mr. International Philippines 2024.
Thank you po. Laban Cavite.
Ayan. Thank you.